Allison Elizabeth Brown, and I'm a maker at OpenWorks. I think what OpenWorks gets right and understands very naturally is that it takes a village to raise a visionary. It takes a village to raise an entrepreneur, especially first generation. Like, there's so many moving parts to entrepreneurship. There's so many expenses, hurdles, obstacles, challenges, frustrations, details, responsibilities, so many things to juggle. And it helps to have clean, state-of-the-art, safe, well-managed, well-maintained equipment to work on.
This is our home here in OpenWorks, which, until OpenWorks opened, our home was Colin and Dave's couches and cars and
Starbucks.
Yeah. This has been amazing to be here at OpenWorks. We love it. We are proud that we were the first tenant when we moved in here, and it's a great environment. It's easy to work here. It's great to meet all these other. We've actually collaborated several times now with a lot of the other people here who we wouldn't have met otherwise.
I love to see women working on things that you wouldn't even think women would normally be doing. So I love being in the metal shop, and I definitely love to encourage more women to be in the metal shop. A lot of people find it intimidating. It's not just for big dudes hammering on stuff.
Making is about exploring. It's a journey, it's a process, and then there are great techs here, support here, great equipment. It's a beautiful place to be in.